It's super important to understand that although we vaccinate our elderly, our vulnerable, and we give them the third shot, it doesn't make them invincible. It doesn't mean that you can now let your guard down. It doesn't mean that unvaccinated visitors who may be infectious should be let into a facility.
After a recent NACI recommendation, British Columbians living in long-term care homes and assisted living centers will start getting COVID-19 booster shots this week. NACI says the recommendation is based on new data coming out of Israel, which shows the third dose goes far in terms of providing protection.
The data from there was actually quite impressive. Your second shot quadruples your protection from your first shot. Your third shot multiplies your protection by a factor of 6 from your second shot. So it's between your first shot and your third shot is a factor of 24 times more protection, and 6 times of that is from that third shot.
A paper in the Lancet Medical Journal may encourage Canada to roll out boosters sooner. Published Monday, that study shows the Pfizer vaccine's effectiveness at preventing infection drops to below 50% after 5 months. However, during that same period, Pfizer remains 90% effective at preventing hospitalization and death. Combined with the Israeli third dose data, Canadians could soon be asked to take a COVID booster.
Clearly, there's something still decadent about getting a third shot when millions and millions, if not hundreds of millions of people are not even able to get their first shot.
Canada has already signed deals with Pfizer and Moderna for millions of third-dose boosters, but this comes as lower-income nations struggle to get even a first dose. Nigeria has vaccinated just 2.3% of its population, and Ghana 2.7%. However, bioethicist Udo Schuklenk says one's own personal sense of guilt shouldn't influence their decisions if they're offered a third dose.
Let's just say, for the sake of the argument, you decide, I forgo mine because I want to have somebody in Nigeria. It doesn't mean that government of Canada will do anything with whatever you decided to forgo. They might just keep it and eventually throw it out just to be on the safe side.
In Ottawa, Xiao Li, City News.